Hello everyone, this is RKD from Joty5. We're going to do a quick video about some custom attachments that we recently received. Over here on the left, you will see the details about the cleanup bucket, augers with two different types of drill bits, rake and hammer mounting plates, as well as the plate compactor. If you're interested in a rake and hammer, on the right here, I will have a link in the description below. First, let's start with this cleanup bucket and take a look at more details. So from the upgrades that the customer requested is that he wanted to have a mounting for a Cat 303 excavator, as well as replaceable blade at the bottom. Let's take a look at the weld quality. Here we have a auger for the same Cat 3-ton excavator. The bigger bit is designed for the mixed soil with rocks, and the smaller bit is designed for the solid rock drilling. The auger has a reduction gearbox and over 2000 Newton meters of torque. Here we have a rake and hammer mounting plate. The ears on top is for the Cat 303 excavator, and the bottom plate is made to fit the 8-ton rake and hammer that the client already has. Lastly, we have a compactor plate for a 2-ton GT 5200 mini excavator. We'll put a link to the excavator in the description. Joty5 offers custom attachments for the machines from 1 ton up to 80 ton in weight. As you've seen here, we have a full variety of attachments that you might need, starting from buckets and finishing up with augers, compactor plates, and breakers. If you're in need of any attachment for your machine, no matter what is the mounting pattern, give us a call or visit joty5.com. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.